Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I'm Sara Hemani. Tropical storm Wipha weakens, heavy rain and strong winds expected across Thailand. The strong southwest monsoon continues to dominate the Andaman Sea, Thailand and the Gulf of Thailand, while the monsoon trough stretches across Upper Myanmar and Upper Laos, the Thai Meteorological Department said on Wednesday. At the same time, severe tropical storm Wipha has been downgraded to a tropical depression over Giang province, Laos, and is expected to weaken further into an active low-pressure system. Despite this, isolated heavy rain and strong winds are still likely across Thailand. The north, northeast, central and east regions may experience very heavy rainfall with the possibility of flash floods and overflows, especially along waterways near foothills and lowlands. Residents in these areas are advised to remain vigilant. In the Andaman Sea, strong winds will cause waves to reach 2 to 4 meters in height and over 3 meters during thunder showers. The lower Andaman Sea and upper Gulf will see waves of 2 to 3 meters with thunder showers pushing the waves above 3 meters in some areas. All vessels in the Andaman Sea and the Gulf should proceed with caution and avoid thunder showers. Small boats in these areas should stay ashore. After landfall, it began moving southwest. The storm knocked out power in parts of Huynh Yen province east of Hanoi. Residents rushed to petrol stations to buy fuel for generators, state media reported. The streets of the capital city, Hanoi, were nearly empty as the storm moved inland. Most businesses were closed and the city government has advised residents to stay home and evacuate buildings that are unstable or in flood-prone areas. No casualties or damage has been reported so far in Vietnam, while an estimated 350,000 Vietnamese soldiers are on standby as the country's weather agency expects up to 500 millimeters of rainfall, which could cause dangerous floodings and landslides. Wipha was forecast to weaken into a low-pressure system on Tuesday night, according to Vietnam's National Weather Forecast Agency. Flights were cancelled across northern Vietnam and airports in the port city of Hai Phong and Quang Ni province were closed. Nearly 150,000 hectares of aquaculture farms and more than 20,000 floating fish cages are at risk from flooding and strong winds, according to state media. Vietnam has warned of flooding as heavy rain from Wipha moves inland. Flood waters driven by torrential rains in the aftermath of Wipha brought much of life in the Philippine capital Manila to a halt earlier on Tuesday, with tens of thousands evacuated from their homes and at least 2 people believed missing. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.